Hello viewers. Today we learn how to change mouse cursor color, mouse size, mouse pointer speed, text cursor. Click Windows logo. Click Setting. Click Personalization. Click Themes. Click Mouse Cursor. Click Custom Mouse. Choose color which you want. If you want a resize of mouse cursor, increase volume bar. Click Mouse Indicator. If you want to circle around the mouse pointer, when you press Ctrl key, scroll down. Click Mouse. If you want to change primary mouse button, click drop-down menu. Then choose increase process bar for mouse speed, decrease process bar for mouse speed. If you want to change text cursor, indicator thickness, click text cursor, increase volume bar. For increase text cursor, choose color text cursor indicator. For apply mouse highlight, we need download PowerToys software and install. If you do not know how to install, click above icon button to install any software Microsoft. Open downloaded PowerToys software. Double click. Click Accept. Click Install. Installation process start. Then open PowerToys. Software run as administrator. Click House Highlighter. Click Mouse Appearance and Behavior. Choose Color for primary button. Choose Color for secondary highlight color. Choose Radius for increase and decrease. If you want to enable mouse pointer cross hands. Thank you for watching video.